Excavator maintenance and repair. Welcome to this essential lesson on excavator maintenance and repair. In this lesson, we'll cover essential maintenance procedures for excavators, which are crucial in ensuring their longevity and optimal performance. We will also delve into basic repair techniques focusing on critical systems like the hydraulic and electrical systems. The content is designed in a sequential manner to help you navigate through various aspects of excavator maintenance efficiently. Basic maintenance procedures, for example, lubrication, tire pressure. Regular maintenance of excavators is vital to prevent breakdowns and extend the machine's life. Here are some of the basic maintenance procedures. 1. Lubrication. Lubrication ensures that all moving parts work smoothly, reducing friction and preventing wear and tear. Here's how to approach lubrication. Identify all lubrication points on the excavator. This typically includes hinges, joints, and bearings. Use the manufacturer's recommended lubricants to prevent any damage caused by incompatible substances. Ensure regular checks, ideally every week or after heavy use, to maintain optimal lubrication levels. Use a grease gun for difficult-to-reach areas. Tip: consider including an instructional video here demonstrating how to perform lubrication on different parts of an excavator. 2. Tire pressure check. Correct tire pressure is crucial for stability and efficiency. Here's how you can ensure your excavator's tires are properly maintained. Check tire pressure regularly using a reliable gauge. Refer to the operator's manual for the correct tire pressure levels. Inspect tires for any signs of wear or damage. Rotate tires periodically to ensure even wear. 3. Engine oil and filter changes. Changing engine oil and filters is necessary for keeping the engine running smoothly. Follow these steps. Warm up the engine slightly to ensure easy oil flow. Use appropriate tools to drain the old oil completely into a suitable disposal container. Replace the old oil filter with a new one, ensuring it is compatible with your engine type. Refill the engine with new oil as per the specifications in the user manual. Start the engine to verify oil pressure and check for leaks. 4. Coolant checks and replacement. The cooling system prevents overheating and prolongs engine life. Here's a simple procedure for managing your excavator's coolant. Regularly check coolant levels and top up if it's below the required mark. Examine hoses and connections for leaks or signs of wear. Flush the cooling system and replace the coolant periodically as recommended by the manufacturer. Use the correct type of coolant as per machine specifications. As you can see in the video, a cooling system with labeled parts would be helpful. You identify the utilities parts for better understanding. 5. Visual inspections. Conducting routine visual inspections can help identify potential issues early. Walk around the excavator and check for signs of leaks, especially around hydraulic hoses and connections. Inspect the body for structural damages or corrosion. Check for loose bolts or any unusual noises while operating the equipment. Ensure all lights and indicators are functioning correctly. Repair procedures, for example, hydraulic system, electrical system. Even with regular maintenance, excavators may require repairs from time to time. Here are some common repair procedures for key systems. 1. Hydraulic system repair. The hydraulic system is critical for the operation of an excavator. Here's how to address common hydraulic issues. Identify leaks by inspecting hydraulic lines and cylinders for wet spots or puddles. Replace or tighten connections as necessary. If there's reduced power, check the hydraulic fluid level and quality. Change fluid if contaminated or low. Ensure that all hydraulic filters are clean to preserve system integrity and performance. If replacement of hoses or components is needed, always relieve system pressure before performing any work. As you can see, this step-by-step video guide on changing hydraulic components, which can be very useful for you. 2. Electrical system repair. The electrical system powers essential functions in an excavator. Here are basic steps to handle electrical repairs. Begin by examining the battery connections. Ensure they are clean and secure. If experiencing electrical failures, test fuses and relays for continuity and replace faulty units. Check wiring harnesses for damage or disconnections, especially after heavy operation. Diagnose lighting and control panel anomalies by inspecting bulbs and checking circuit integrity. 3. Troubleshooting engine problems. Engine problems can halt operations and lead to costly downtime. Follow these steps for troubleshooting. Observe any unusual sounds or smoke emissions and identify possible causes. Test spark plugs for wear and replace them as needed. Check air filters for blockages and replace them regularly for efficient air intake. Ensure fuel filters are clean and free of contaminants to prevent engine clogging. 4. Structural repairs. Structural integrity is vital for safety and function. Address these common issues. Weld any cracks or broken parts with appropriate welding techniques and materials. Tighten or replace damaged bolts and nuts promptly. Address rust by sanding off affected areas and applying rust-preventive paint. Regularly inspect the boom and arm for signs of stress or fatigue. 5. Track and undercarriage maintenance. The undercarriage supports an excavator's weight and is prone to wear. Here's how to maintain it. Check track tension of the excavator regularly and adjust to the correct slack. Look for track links and rollers damage and replace them when defective. Clean out debris from sprockets and idlers to prevent buildup and premature wear. Grease track tensioners to ensure smooth operation. In conclusion, regular maintenance and timely repairs are essential for keeping excavators in top working condition. Proper lubrication, tire checks, oil changes, and coolant management form the backbone of daily maintenance. Additionally, being proactive with repairs, especially involving the hydraulic and electrical systems, helps prevent extensive downtime. Through diligent visual inspections and swift response to detected issues, you ensure longevity and reliability of the equipment. Remember, investing time in proper maintenance today precludes significant repair costs tomorrow. Thank you for participating in this lesson, and we encourage you to apply these practices consistently. The excavator maintenance procedure is a critical process to ensure the longevity, efficiency, and safety of the equipment. Here's a summarized overview of the procedure. Pre-operational checks. 1. Visual inspection. Check for any damage, wear, or leaks. 2. Fluid levels. Verify engine oil, hydraulic fluid, coolant, and fuel levels. 3. Tire pressure. Check and adjust tire pressure as needed. 4. Battery. Inspect the battery terminals, cables, and water level. Daily maintenance. 1. Cleanliness. Keep the excavator clean, paying attention to areas around the engine, hydraulic components, and tracks. 2. Lubrication. Grease all lubrication points, including pivot points, bushings, and bearings. 3. Hydraulic system. Check for leaks, damage, or worn-out components. 4. Track tension. Adjust track tension to prevent wear and damage. Scheduled maintenance. 1. Engine oil changes. Regularly change engine oil and filter. 2. Hydraulic fluid changes. Change hydraulic fluid and filter as recommended. 3. Coolant changes. Change coolant as recommended. 4. Filter replacements. Replace air, fuel, and hydraulic filters as needed. Post-operational checks. 1. Shutdown procedures. Follow proper shutdown procedures to prevent damage. 2. Secure the excavator. Ensure the excavator is properly secured and parked. 3. Report issues. Document and report any issues or concerns to the maintenance team. Annual or biannual maintenance. 1. Major inspections. Perform comprehensive inspections of the excavator's major components. 2. Wear part replacements. Replace wear parts such as bushings, bearings, and seals. 3. Undercarriage maintenance. Inspect and maintain the undercarriage, including the tracks, rollers, and idlers. By following this excavator maintenance procedure, you can help extend the equipment's lifespan, reduce downtime, and ensure a safe working environment. Thank you for staying up to the end of this lesson on excavators maintenance and repair. See you again in the final lesson. Happy learning, folks!